Friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change footer content, all those content from the admin panel of the Xilancer Marketplace Platform. We have a beautiful drag and drop widget builder for change content of footer, or you can add your own to build the front end footer part as you want. For that, we need to log into admin panel, go to admin panel, search for appearance settings, click on widget builder. Here you will see an interface like this. All of the left side widgets are for build widget area to show in the front end. You can manage 4 widget areas here. One is footer 1, another one is footer 2, and number 3 is copyright area, and number 4 is blog widget. We will show you now for change content of the homepage header, which is footer 2 widget area. Click on the arrow. It will show you all the existing widgets which are used in the footer 2 widget area. So we will change content of contact us widget. We'll change the reach out to us to contact us, and then scroll down, click on the save changes. Back to the home page, scroll down, reload the page. As you can see, the content is changed. You can change the order of widget area by dragging it. Now back to the home page, reload the page. Here it is, you can see the content is changed as per you have sorted here. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.